This is literally the most premium speaker I have ever received in this channel for a review. This is Rubyoung, hopefully I say the name right, a very powerful speaker, and honestly it seems like it's at a different league compared to all the other Bluetooth speaker I have reviewed. This is more in the hi-fi category. There are 4 things we're gonna do in this video. First, I'm gonna give you all the specs, then I'm gonna do an unboxing, then we're gonna do a physical product tour so you can see all the way around the speaker, and finally, we're gonna do a sound test. In order to give you a really good feel for the bass, for the locals, for the instruments, I'm gonna play 4 different songs for you. 1, a classical, then a pop music, then a rock music, and then hip hop, to try to cover a really, hopefully nice range of different musics. These songs, I actually pay for the licenses to be able to use them in this video. So if you want to support me, the least you can do, give this video a like, because it does take a long time and lots of work to be able to arrange everything, do the test, production, all that stuff. And by the way, I do a lot of tech reviews in this channel, such as speakers, keyboards, routers, and things like that. So if you think you like videos like this, consider subscribing, and when you turn on the notification, make sure to change that to all, because that's the only way you will be notified for all my future videos. So let's talk about a couple of the specs. This offers Bluetooth 5.0. It's a 120 watt speaker, but if you want to get into all the nitty-gritty stuff, here's what you need to know. So the wrapping and the body of the speaker is wrapped in boutique leather, whatever that means, and it has modern alloy. This particular color, it's in coffee color, and they offer in white and green. This thing weighs 16.5 pounds, so it is a big boy. And if you convert it, it's about 7.5 kilograms, 120 watts, and it covers between 50 hertz to 20,000 hertz. You have 2 5.25 woofers and 2 1-inch tweeters. Frequency division type DSP 2.0. Don't know what that means. Audio input, here's an interesting part. So obviously you got your Bluetooth and 3.5 millimeter auxiliary, but you also have the option for optical input. So if you want to hook this up maybe to your TV, you can. Supported protocols, aptX, aptX HD, SBC, and AAC. And it comes with an AC 220 50 hertz power input. Let's open this bad boy up and see what we got inside. So you got a nice image of the product, which by the way, these gorgeous panels that you see, when you order them, you have an option to select which one you like, but you can also, they have an option to pay and get a custom printed panel that you could easily swap and put that one on, and I will show you that as well. Oh, here's a picture of it, how you can potentially replace the panel. You have more specs in like 5,000 different languages back here. Serial number on this side, and that's it. High power, hi-fi Bluetooth speaker. Look at this gorgeous red they have inside this box. I'm already excited. So right at the top, we have this booklet. I'm gonna open this up. I assume you have your warranty information, quick start guide, and things like that. And this is the speaker. Let's see if we could get this out without me breaking it. Let's pause that, see what we got inside here. This is a very nicely printed owner's manual and instruction guide. Look at this. Oh my God, it's heavy. Come on. Tell me that doesn't look good. This thing is wrapped in a beautiful leather. You have really, really nice white or cream color stitching all the way around on the handle and on the side. So let's check out the dials real quick. The first dial is for the mode. You go from outdoor, hi-fi, and ambient, and it is very satisfying, extremely clicky. Your pairing button, your input buttons, auxiliary, Bluetooth, or optical. This is your power button, and then this is your volume knob. So the panel can be easily removed by pulling on this tab right here. We'll come back to that. On both sides, there are no input. You just have the leather wrap. This thing is heavy. And then in the back, you have your analog out, auxiliary in, optical, and your power switch, and then your AC input. Come on, look at that. So these are your 5 1/4 drivers. So if you want to have that animated, very raw speaker look, you actually can have the grill off. So it's up to you whether you want to have the panel on or not. And in a moment, I'm going to show you my custom made panel that they made for me. And then these are your tweeters at the top. So normally when I do my speaker test, I also measure how loud they get. I'm not going to do that. 120 watts, we know it's loud. So I'm focusing on the sound quality. You know what? I couldn't resist. So before we start listening, I wanted to show you my custom panel that they have made for me.
I'm over you and I don't need your lies no more. Cause the truth is without you, boy, I'm stronger. And I know you said that I'd change if I called home, but it was your game that last cause I'm over you. Don't call me up, I'm going out tonight. Feeling good now you're out of my life. Don't wanna talk about us, gotta leave it behind. One drink and you're out of my mind. So don't call me up, cause I'm here looking fine, babe. And I got eyes looking my way. And everybody's on my vibe, babe. Nah, 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 nah. Don't call me up, my friend said you were a bad man. I should've listened to them back then. Cause the truth is without you, boy, I'm stronger. And I know you said that I'd change if I called home, but it was your game that last cause I'm over you. Don't call me up, I'm going out tonight. Feeling good now you're out of my life. Don't wanna talk about what else.
Are you kidding me? This is my true first impression of this speaker. The first two songs I played, I was on the other side of the camera. You couldn't see me, but I literally had chills listening to the vocals and that classical music by Bach. Now, let's try to dive in so I can hopefully better explain and describe what I was listening and experiencing it. So, number one, the fact that it's loud and it's very bassy, there is no doubt in being able to provide that. Number two, at 120 watts, at 100% volume, I did not sense any distortion, whether it was high vocals, whether it was the instrument or the loud guitars or the basses. No distortion that I could experience, which is very close to obviously their claim of no distortion that they have, or 0.0002% distortion, whatever. While these panels are absolutely gorgeous, where's my other panel? I actually like the look of this better, so I can see the drivers moving. That was a little bit mesmerizing to watch, so I may actually rock it like this. I don't know. We have to see. The second thing is about these different modes. So we have outdoor, hi-fi, and ambient. I could tell you right off the bat, maybe because I'm in a small room right now, I did not enjoy nor like the outdoor mode. The outdoor mode, it pumps up the mids and highs little too much for my liking. Maybe in an outdoor environment that the speaker is further away from the crowd or your ears, maybe that's necessary or will sound good, but I was too close for me to enjoy that mode. The ambient mode is the one I liked it the most. That's the one that was giving me a very warm tone. Most of the songs I enjoyed it the most in the ambient mode, and then the hi-fi mode and the outdoor mode I liked the least. As far as anything that I do not like about this, maybe it's too much to ask, but it would be awesome if this thing had a built-in battery that you could use this as a portable speaker, even though it's really not designed for that because it's too classy, it's too chic, it's too modern. This is designed to be probably on your shelf by your TV, somewhere that you can present and showcase the look of it. But just you need to realize the cable has to be plugged in, and this is not a portable speaker. Second thing, while they're giving me some equalizer control and they're giving me these different modes, if I'm paying this much for a speaker, I would really enjoy and rather have some sort of maybe app or built-in equalizer that I can further modify the profile, the sound profile I'm listening to. I'm not sure if I mentioned this or not. I am getting you guys a coupon code, so I can't tell you what it is right now, but by the time I will upload this, I should know what that is. So check out the description for that coupon code. So if you're thinking about getting one, you can take advantage of it. This has been it. If you have any questions for me, drop a comment down below. I will do my best to try to answer every single one of the questions and comments coming through. If you're still watching, I'm interested and curious to see who you are and how many of you are out there, because not everyone's hanging out this long. Maybe to confuse everyone else, drop a random comment in the comment section and just say pineapples are awesome. I don't know, just something like random. It will confuse people. Thank you so much. You're a trooper. I'll see you in the next one.